Hello everyone, here is our math question for today. Looking at this question looks simple, but most students fail this type of question during exam. Why? The reason is actually they started well. They solved the parentheses first, but along the line, they were confused and got the wrong answer. Let's look at how they solved the question. Here we have 5 plus 3, they started with the parentheses, which is what? 8. 8 divided by 3, in parentheses, 8 plus 4. The next thing they did was, they added the second parenthesis, that is 8 divided by 3, in parentheses, 8 plus 4 is what? 12. Now, the next thing was 8 divided by 3 multiplied by 12. Now, we have division and multiplication left. What they did was, they did know that what? Division and multiplication are of the same priority, but they multiplied first before dividing. Look at how they did it. 8 divided by 3 multiplied by 12 will give us what? 36, which is what? 8 divided by 36. 2 in 8 will give us 4. 2 in 36 will give us what? 18. 2 in 4 again, 2. 2 in 18, 9. Here was the answer they got, 2/9, which is totally wrong. What they did was, they forgot the order of priority, which is PEMDAS. Now, let's solve it the right way. Here is our question again. Let's rewrite it. In parentheses, 5 plus 3 divided by 3, in parentheses, 8 plus 4. Now, when we want to solve this type of question, we have an order of operation which is called PEMDAS. If you want to solve it correctly, you are going to be using the order of operation which is called PEMDAS. PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. These two symbols, multiplication and division, they have the same priority under PEMDAS. Once the two of them are beside each other, they have equal priority. Likewise, addition and subtraction as well, they have equal priority. Now, let's continue with our solution. In parentheses, 5 plus 3 will give us what? 8. 8 divided by 3, in parentheses, 8 plus 4 will give us what? 12. Now, let's continue. 8 divided by 3 multiplied by 12. Now we have what? 8 divided by 3. Let's turn this to a fraction, times 12. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 12 will give us what? 4. 8 multiplied by 4 will give us what? 32. Here is the final and correct answer. 2/9 is not the correct answer. The mistake they did was, they missed out while solving the question.